Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. Today, we will tell you what to do before and on the day of your PT exam. Many students make the mistake of cramming everything at the last moment or the day before the exam, which only adds pressure and affects their performance negatively. Instead, try to study regularly leading up to the exam. 2 days before the exam, focus on revising the monthly and weekly predictions and dedicate the remaining time to light revision. Avoid the temptation to leave everything until the last day, as it can increase stress and result in poor performance. Before going to the exam center, make sure to relax. If you're traveling to the exam venue, give yourself time to rest after the journey. Plan your schedule in a way that allows you to go into the exam with confidence and a relaxed mind. You will be called into the exam hall about half an hour before the start, where you'll undergo verification and receive a booklet containing exam rules and regulations. Read it carefully as it contains instructions on how to perform in the exam. When you enter the exam hall, check your headphones to ensure they are working properly. Remember, it's your responsibility, not the examiner's, to check your equipment. Ensure that the microphone of your headphones is not too close or too far from your mouth, and that there's a distance of 2 to 3 fingers between them. Once the exam starts, don't put too much emphasis on the introduction, as it doesn't contribute to your score. Some students get nervous during the speaking section and start speaking too loudly, which can affect their mood and performance negatively. It's important to calm your nerves and hesitation so that you can perform comfortably within your comfort zone. If you're feeling too nervous, don't move on to the next question until you're comfortable, whether it takes 1 minute or 3 minutes. Start the next question only when you feel completely comfortable. During the speaking section, speak at a normal speed and volume. If you encounter difficult vocabulary, skip it rather than stressing over it. During the repeat sentence section, be mindful of the voice setting option before the introduction. Avoid speaking too loudly as it can cause strain. As the exam progresses to the retell lecture and describe image sections, focus on maintaining your natural pace and pronunciation. Avoid comparing yourself to others and stick to what you know. Most of the stress usually occurs during the speaking section, so try to stay focused and avoid distractions. Remember, the more relaxed and focused you are, the better your exam performance will be. So, keep calm and don't take too much stress. So, these were some speaking-related points to keep in mind before and during your exam. Sorry if there were any mistakes. If you have any more confusion, you can ask by commenting and we will reply to you. See you in the next video. If you liked the video, please like and share, subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.